today's fast-paced world, there are numerous opportunities to earn money using various methods, some of which require minimal effort and investment. While there's no such thing as easy money without any effort, some approaches are more accessible and beginner-friendly than others. This guide will walk you through step-by-step instructions on how to earn money through straightforward methods. Step 1. Identify your strengths and skills. Start by assessing your strengths, skills, and interests. This will help you discover the avenues through which you can effectively generate income. Are you good at writing, graphic design, coding, or social media management? Leveraging your existing skills can give you a competitive edge. Step 2. Freelancing or remote work. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer opportunities to freelance in areas such as writing, graphic design, programming, and more. Create a compelling profile showcasing your skills and portfolio. Bid on projects that match your expertise and gradually build a client base. Step 3. Online content creation. If you enjoy sharing your thoughts and expertise, consider creating content online. Video blogging and podcasting are popular ways to do this. Platforms like WordPress, YouTube, and Anchor make it easy to start creating and earning through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Step 4. Affiliate marketing. Basically, affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Sign up for affiliate programs relevant to your niche and promote the products through your website, blog, or social media. Step 5. Online tutoring or teaching. If you excel in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services. Platforms like Chegg, Tutor.com, and VIPKid connect educators with students seeking assistance. You can teach academic subjects, languages, music, or even skills like coding. Step 6. Selling products online. E-commerce platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon allow you to sell products without the need for a physical store. Step 7. Stock photography or videos. If you have a knack for photography or videography, you can sell your work on platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. High quality and in-demand visuals can generate a steady stream of passive income. Earning money through easy and accessible methods requires effort, dedication, and a willingness to learn. While these methods may not make you wealthy overnight, they can provide you with a supplementary income stream or help you achieve specific financial goals. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for upcoming videos.